If we're going for a deep dark red color and the results keep ending up brighter than we're expecting, we need to add some sort of darkening agent to our red formula to make it darker. And the only color that I can think of that we can add to red to make it darker is by adding black to it, which has a very deep blue undertone to it. So if you add black to your red color, chances are it's going to darken the value, but then shift it more pinky purple or red violet. Sadly, it's just inevitable that when you mix black with things, they do change the chroma, the hue, and the value of the color. So in order to switch this back over to that true deep red, I would recommend using straight up like neon orange, which would probably be high up here, just to help kind of shift that red violet tone back to a true deep vampire-y red. You can also play around with how you are coloring your hair. If you don't want to put all of these colors of your dark red mixed with black, mixed with like a neon yellow color, you could just do the dark red mixed with black to kind of like shift the tone, and then afterwards you could like tone it with a neon orange color to shift it back. It could change the result, giving it a little bit more depth to the color if you layer colors on top of each other instead of mixing everything in one bowl. But just remember, when you are mixing black with any color, less is more, because if you use too much, then it's gonna completely mute your formula and turn it just straight up black. So I personally wouldn't like color your hair black and then try to do your dark red over the top of it, because it's probably not gonna show up. So I'd recommend first coloring your hair with like the dark red color, get it as close to the value and tone that you're looking for, and then if it's not quite right, if it's too red violety like this here, then you can go in with like a neon color over the top of that to just kind of shift the reflection to trick the eye into seeing a deep red color.